Good morning, everyone. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we'll continue block 7 work people do and we'll study S3 of this block. Be ready with all your essentials and answer this question. See these pictures? Here, some clothes you can see. You need to think that who makes this type of cloth? This type of clothes and this type of clothes. Who do you think? So some clothes are made in factories like these clothes, these type of clothes, ready-made clothes, and some clothes are made by people at home. These type of clothes are made by people at home and these people are called weavers. Weavers weave clothes with the help of spinning wheel and loom machine at home. And today we'll know more about the job of weaving. This is your topic for today, weaving. From your S3, write topic name with date on your notebook. Now open your content book, first page of block 7, and you need to read Bhagat's story and I will ask some question from this. So if you find something important or if you think that here any question can be made from this line, so you can underline that sentence. I'm reading this story for you. Please listen to this carefully because I will ask some questions. Bhagat is a weaver. He lives with his family in a village in Assam. Where Bhagat lives? In Assam. Assam is in the northeastern part of India. For almost 200 years, his family has been weaving Muga silk. For how long his family in this business? For almost 200 years. Muga silk is a special type of silk cloth made from silkworms. Bhagat learnt weaving from his father. So how Bhagat learned how to weave? Bhagat's father taught him. And his father learnt it from the elders at home. Who taught how to weave to Bhagat's father? Bhagat's grandparents taught Bhagat's father how to weave. Bhagat has 3 children. He plans to teach them weaving so that they can continue this work when they grow up. Bhagat weaves the cloth on his loom at home. Cloth. He buys silk thread and puts them on the loom. Then he and his wife weave the cloth with the thread. It takes him many months to weave one sari. Bhagat finds it difficult to earn enough money from weaving. The thread is becoming very costly and he does not find people who can buy these saris at a good price. Instead, shopkeepers from the city buy them from him at cheap prices. So, what is the problem Bhagat is facing in his job? That it is difficult to earn enough money from weaving and it takes many months to weave one sari. So they have to wait for many months to earn from one sari. The thread is becoming very costly and he does not find people who can buy these saris at a good price because silk saris are very costly. The amount of these saris is more than 50,000. So usually people can't afford this much high amount to buy one sari. So that's why he does not find buyers for these saris. So shopkeepers from the city buy them from him at cheap prices. So Bhagat can get only 30,000 or 20,000 from shopkeepers from the city. Many weavers from his village have moved to the cities in search of other jobs because in weaving it is not easy to earn enough money, so many weavers from villages moved to cities to find other jobs. Which kind of jobs they can find in cities? Think. Bhagat is worried that soon there may be no one left to weave these beautiful silk saris anymore. So here some questions from the stories are, and you need to answer them. If you want, you can read the story again. Tools used by Bhagat, the time he needs to weave, the way he learnt his work, who taught him how to weave, how did his father learn weaving? What's the answers of these questions? Do you know the answers? You can answer to the people around you, and if no one is there, you can answer by yourself. Tools used by Bhagat are weavers use tools like spinning wheel and loom machine to weave clothes. The time he needs to weave, it takes many months to weave one sari. And the way he learnt his work after practice of many years and many months, because weaving is a skill and people can learn weaving by practicing it. Who taught him how to weave? Bhagat's father taught him how to weave, because weaving is a skill and it passed down from one person to another person. How did his father learn weaving? Bhagat's father learned weaving from his grandparents. So these are the answers. And do you think when Bhagat's children grow up, they will teach this work to their children, or would they take up some other job? Think and answer. Think, and we'll discuss this answer later. So Bhagat is a weaver from Assam. Muga silk sari made from silkworms and take months to be ready. This is Muga silk sari, and these are silk threads, and silk threads made from silkworms. This is the process of making silk thread. First, these are silk moths and eggs of silk moth, which become silkworm, and this silkworm, they give silk moth give eggs in mulberry tree. Mulberry means शहतूत, उसके पेड़ में ये अपना egg देते हैं. And silkworm, by eating leaves of mulberry, the caterpillar spins a cocoon of silk threads around itself. Like this, by eating leaves, they spins silk thread around itself. And this is cocoon. This oval shaped covering is called cocoon. And inside the cocoon, it is a developing moth. And this is silkworm. This is silk moth. And these silk moths live only for 5 to 10 days. This is their lifespan. And this is silk thread. That's why silk thread is very costly, and weavers don't earn enough money, so how can they buy this costly silk thread? That's why weaving job, weavers facing many problems. So what do you think, when Bhagat's children grow up, they will teach this work to their children, or would they take up some other jobs? What do you think? Yes, Bhagat is thinking about teaching weaving to his children, but many weavers are moving to cities in search of other jobs, because in job of weaving, it is very difficult to earn money, and there are many problems weavers are facing. So yes, Bhagat is teaching weaving to his children, but they may move to city if they will not earn enough money. Next questions. What is different about the way he has been trained and the way an engineer and doctor is trained? Can you think of any other similar jobs like weaving? What is the same between all jobs? What's your answer? What is the difference between an engineer and doctor and a weaver? Difference is like to become a doctor, people have to study at least for 5 years in a medical college, and they have to learn about operation, medicines. It is a very difficult study, and job of doctors need training, and other jobs also, teachers, engineer. But weaving is a skill, and people can learn weaving by practicing it for many days, years and months, and it passed down from one person to another. But doctors and teachers get trained for many years in colleges. This is the difference between job of doctors and teachers and job of weaving. And jobs like weaving are like basket and mats making, hand embroidery and pottery making. This is called embroidery, okay? Hand embroidery. This is also a job. And this is a skill which is passed down by others. And this is pottery making. These are the jobs like weaving. Who made pottery? Potters. And basket making and mat making. These are some jobs like weaving. And what are the problems weaver face? Difficult to sell things, uses looms and thread, not much money. So these are some problems, that silk thread is very costly. They don't get enough money from weaving, and that's why weavers moving to cities to get other jobs. And weaver use looms and thread to weave clothes. Weavers learn skills from one another person, and by practicing they can be a good weaver. Weavers weave clothes. Next question. Should weavers and potters get trained in the college like doctors and teachers? Why and why not? What's your answer? Think and answer. Should weavers also get trained in the college? Yes, weavers who were trained from college can get more job offers and profit and respect in their jobs, like doctors and teachers, engineer get respect and profit and good job offers. So if weaver get trained from a college, they can also get all these things, and it will be easy for them to earn money. And by getting training, many people can choose weaving as a job. And by learning many things from by training, weavers don't need to sell the things in cheap price to shopkeepers in the cities, so they can sell their things in good price. So yes, weavers should be trained in the college. After watching the video, this is your work. Read weaving from your content book and complete your S3. Do PQ3. You need to read Bhagat's story, okay? This is about weaving. And this is your work. Complete your S3. This is your S3. Question number 1. Look at the picture and answer the questions. This is the picture. Answer. What is the man doing? What is he using to make these? Where do you think he learnt this skill? What kind of problems can he have in his job? Watch the video properly and complete your work. You need to think and answer to these questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.